How to link your YouTube account to Discord on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link your YouTube account to Discord on mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Discord. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then after your account, tap on bottom right corner on You option. Then you should be on your profile. Then head over to settings on the top right. After you head over to settings on the top right, there you'll find an option called connections. Tap on connections and there you can see different options. So to find YouTube, tap on the add button on the top right. After you tap on add, you'll find a lot of different options. Scroll down until you find YouTube. Tap on YouTube and now you'll have to log in into your YouTube account. So just type in the account, just type in the email of the account that's your YouTube is associated to. So I'll just type in my Gmail here, tap on done, tap on next, and then simply type in the password for that very account as well. So you do the same. And after you do the same, you can then tap on next. And after you do that, after your correct password, you should be able to log in. So I'll just head over to my Gmail now and accept that pop up, which I should be getting right around here. Let me reload this. There we go. Now I'll just confirm my identity. After that, I head back over to your Discord, and there you can see it's starting to load. Now select whatever you want to select here. I'll select everything, then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, it'll take some time to load, and there you go. It's starting to connect, and you're done. Now you can head back and choose to display it on your profile or not. So after I head back here, you should notice my connections, new connections that should be available right here. And that is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.